Hey sleepers, I'm Elizabeth, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Molecule 2 mattress. The Molecule brand is a favorite of athletes including Alex Morgan, Tom Brady, and Russell Wilson. It may be good enough for Tom Brady, but is it a good choice for you? Let's put it to the Tuck test and find out. If you like what we're doing and find any of our videos helpful, let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you sign up for our newsletter, you'll automatically be entered into our monthly giveaway. Check the card above my shoulder for more information. All right, for this mattress review, we brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Tess, average weight sleeper Nicholas, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the Molecule 2 mattress is easy. We recommend having a friend around because while the mattress is compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Recovery should happen within the first 12 hours, but give it as much as 48 hours to fully recover. There may be some off-gassing when the packaging is removed, but it should dissipate within the first week of unwrapping. The Molecule 2 is a 12-inch memory foam mattress. The cover is made from a blend of polyester and lycra spandex with an antimicrobial treatment. The comfort layers consist of 2 inches of 3 PCF open-cell memory foam atop 3 inches of 1.65 PCF zoned transitional polyfoam. This is a 5-zone layer in which the top is convoluted differently across 5 sections to provide added support. And the support core is made of 7 inches of 1.5 PCF high-density polyfoam. More than other mattresses, the feel of the Molecule 2 will vary depending on the weight of the sleeper. The top memory foam comfort layer is soft and the zone transitional layer below is noticeably firmer. Depending on how much you sink down will determine its feel. Most sleepers will sink through the top layer and rest on the transitional layer. Given that, we've placed the Molecule 2 at a 6 on the firmness scale, though it may feel a little softer to lighter weight sleepers. The mattress is conforming and not very responsive. Generally, you will feel like you're sleeping in this mattress, though depending on your weight, you may also feel propped up on the zoned polyfoam layer. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. The Molecule 2 has a 5-zone polyfoam layer, which is softer in the areas of the shoulders and hips, designed to give your body extra support where needed. As you can see, it does a fine job supporting all of our sleepers, with light and average weight sleepers receiving more support than our heavyweight sleeper. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion, and how well it keeps that motion from reaching your partner. We illustrate this with a water glass demonstration, where we place a glass with water on one end of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper move around the opposite side. As Jerica moves around, you can see very little motion transfers across the bed as the water in the glass barely moves. All foam mattresses tend to isolate motion well, and the Molecule 2 was no different. The denser foams used in the construction really absorb motion. Even when testing the bed with multiple people tossing and turning on the mattress, we noticed minimal motion. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and leave sleepers with a feeling of roll-off. All foam mattresses tend to have weaker edge support as the foam layers are intended to sink for relief. While not offering the best edge around, we found the Molecule 2 provides some edge support. You will see sinkage as we sit on the edge, but after sinking through the initial memory foam layer, we found the firmer transitional polyfoam and dense support core kept us propped up well enough. When laying along the edge, we felt pretty secure as well, though some heavier sleepers may experience the roll-off sensation. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. As you can see, all of our sleepers had great readings across all sleep positions while sleeping on the Molecule 2 mattress. The slow responding memory foam, comfort layer, and zoned polyfoam layers allowed sleepers to sink where needed and relieve pressure, with our light and average weight sleepers receiving the most pressure relief. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. All foam mattresses can struggle with temperature neutrality as foams tend to trap body heat. The Molecule 2 performed against this expectation thanks to its open cell memory foam comfort layer and the moisture wicking cover. We did feel the mattress warming some, but overall it felt cool for an all foam bed. Now, let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Okay, Nicholas, what did you think of the Molecule 2?
I would say this bed is absolutely blissful. This is like the best thing I've ever laid on. It's like you're about to get a massage, you get like the same relaxation.
It's really nice. It feels like high quality. It's a bit firm for me. Might be maybe a good compromise if you're a lightweight sleeper and you share a bed with a heavier weight sleeper.
Well, I'm on the fence with this one.
Really?
Yeah. It's really nice and firm in the middle, but towards the edges, it's not so firm.
Okay, so it seems that edge support is lacking?
Yes,
Okay.
definitely. It doesn't feel like I'm gonna fall off, but I just kind of feel like I'm a little bit lower.
So some sagging going on.
Yeah, for sure.
As far as temperature goes, did it stay cool, heat up anywhere?
I feel like it was a little bit cooler just because there's less sinking going on. It is a firmer mattress, so I felt like you're kind of less likely to get warm.
For the motion isolation, the water glass test, tell me about that. How was that?
So with the water glass test, I didn't see any movement. The glass was not going anywhere. When people were getting in and out, I don't really think I felt much there either. It wouldn't have woke me up.
Something that's featured on the Molecule 2 mattress is that this is a zoned mattress. Did you notice a jump, like where some parts of the bed felt softer versus the other parts?
I noticed that too, and it almost feels like you can breathe more when you're laying on this bed. I have something out of place in my back. I could feel it kind of wanting to go back into place. So I think the longer you were to lay on it, the more relaxation you would get from it.
Okay, well thank you so much, Nicholas.
Absolutely.
Now, let's take a look at how the Molecule 2 mattress stacks up in our mattress tests. Support is very good for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. Pressure relief is excellent for light and average weight sleepers and very good for heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation is very good. Edge support is good. And temperature neutrality is good. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. The Molecule 2 comes in one firmness option, which we rated a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale. If you know you prefer a particularly firm or soft mattress, you may want to look elsewhere. The Molecule 2 is a foam mattress and feels like one. You will sleep in this mattress as you sink into the top memory foam layer, and that layer has a slow response. If you prefer a more responsive mattress, you may want to check out a latex, innerspring, or hybrid mattress. Heavier sleepers may not receive the support they need from this all-foam mattress. With only 3 layers and a soft top layer, some heavier sleepers may find they sink through the comfort layers easily and have uneven support. While it's not a luxury mattress, budget-conscious sleepers may prefer the cheaper Molecule 1. While it boasts some bonus features like the antimicrobial treatment, extreme open-cell memory foam, and 5 zones in the polyfoam layer to the Molecule 1's 3, they are very similar mattresses. But the Molecule 2 is almost double the price of the Molecule 1. So who is the mattress good for? We recommend the Molecule 2 for side sleepers. Side sleepers will enjoy the balance of pressure relief and support offered by the Molecule 2. The 5-zone transitional polyfoam layer was designed for side sleepers in mind. It provides extra support to the head, lumbar, and lower body regions and gives additional relief to the shoulders and hips with the top memory foam layer conforming to pressure points. Back sleepers should also enjoy the Molecule 2 mattress. Back sleepers tend to enjoy beds that are very supportive but still offer some conforming. The high-density polyfoam base and the zone transitional polyfoam on the Molecule 2 provide great support. And the memory foam gives some conforming and sink, but with only 2 inches, you quickly meet those more supportive layers. Easily disrupted couples will appreciate the great motion isolation extended by the Molecule 2. The all-foam construction does well to absorb motion, so you shouldn't feel your partner's movements. Warm sleepers that prefer an all-foam feel may too enjoy the Molecule 2 mattress. The open-cell memory foam and cooling cover help dissipate heat and keep the mattress cooler than most other foam beds. Before purchasing the Molecule 2 mattress, here's some additional information you'll want to know. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, free shipping, and an infinity lifetime warranty. For the lowest price available and Tuck exclusive deals, check the description below. That's it for our Molecule 2 mattress review. What did you think of the mattress? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Sleep well.